In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Rebtel. If you want to start using Rebtel on your Android device, the process is very simple and only takes a few moments. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, unlock your Android phone or tablet and open the Google Play Store. This is the official app store for Android devices, and it's the safest place to download apps. Make sure you have a stable internet connection before you begin, since the app will need to download properly. Once you're in the Play Store, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen, type in Rebtel, then start the search. After the results appear, look for the app called Rebtel, Recharges and Calls. Take a second to confirm that the app name matches exactly, so you know you're selecting the correct one. When you find it, tap on the app to open its download page. This page usually shows details like the app icon, description, reviews, and screenshots. If everything looks correct, tap the install button. As soon as you do that, the download will begin automatically. Now just wait for the download and installation to finish. The time this takes can vary depending on your internet speed and your device, but in most cases, it should only take a short while. If your phone asks for any permissions or confirms storage space, simply follow the prompts on screen. Once the app has finished installing, you'll see the option to open it. Tap Open to launch Rebtel for the first time. The app will then load and bring you to the Welcome or Sign In screen. At this point, you can either sign up for a new account or log in if you already have one. If you're new to the app, follow the registration steps shown on screen and enter your information where needed. If you already use Rebtel, just log in with your existing account details. And that's it. Rebtel is now downloaded and ready to use on your Android device. If you're following along in real time, take it slowly and make sure each screen matches what you expect before moving to the next one. That way, the process stays smooth and easy from start to finish.